Waiting go. Fose left. The favorite pass to begin, followed by Lolek Curry. Moving up the reason why down on the inside is Lasting Rose. Madam Dixie on the further outside. Chichi's Eyes and My Big O's. Two runners fighting it out for the lead. Fose left from the outside. Lola Curry is down on the inside. Lasting Rose racing in third. Chichi's Eyes racing in fourth. The reason why is running in fifth, running in sixth position. Madam Dixie. Then comes My Big O's. And rounding the far turn. Fose left. This time by Alankan up. Lola Curry. Chichi's Eyes on the outside. Lasting Rose. The reason why is moving up by Darrell as they race the final corner. Fose left by a length and a half. This time by about 2 lengths, followed by Chichi's Eyes. The reason why on the outside, moving up the Big O's. And ring the last 100 meters more to run. Fose left by about 3 lengths now, followed by My Big O's in second. And nearing the finish line, the favorite, number 8, Fose left. My Big O, Chichi's Eyes, The Reason Why, and for your Pentafecta, number 1, Madam Dixie.
Okay, 83951 ating unofficial